Hi, it's Jack from Vanshades. Today I'm installing window pod A for the Ford Transit Custom. It's in our Spectrum signature range, which is available in 212 painted RAL colours. When we're installing window pod Spectrum, I recommend wearing gloves for the install. I'm going to offer up the pod to the window behind the driver. I've got an extension bit on the drill. These are available on the website. And use the fixings provided. Screw in place. There you go guys, a blackout and thermally insulated window pod spline system installed in minutes. We've just finished a series of installation videos for window pods on the Ford Transit Custom. This product's available on our website, vanshades.co.uk. That includes the Spectrum signature range, which is available in 212 painted colours. Before you go, I'm just going to show you the effectiveness of the blackout blind. We've got some filming lights behind this window. I'm going to shut the blind now. How's that for proof of concept?